Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Radiance Solitaire, a project developed by Radiance Realty, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project, where you'll be getting all the information and detail and along with the model plate as well. About the land parcel, that is right next to the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is constructed on total 5.3 acres of land parcel, consisting of 3 towers, each tower of 2 basements tilt, plus 17 and 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxurious premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located on Milk Colony Main Road in Madhavaram, Chennai. And let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards Madhavaram roundabout, and the opposite side road will connect you towards the Milk Colony inside itself. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Madhavaram Mofussil bus terminal in 4 kilometers from the project. Madhavaram new bus station is 850 meters away. Proposed metro station is just 200 meters from the project, and even you can connect to Botanical Garden in 1 kilometer from the location. Now about the amenities part, and the project will provide you 30 plus world-class amenities, like of here's the 90,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with swimming pool with deck, garden area, indoor games, multi-purpose court, kids play area, here's the basketball court, and many more amenities in the project. Now let's discuss the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starting from 699 to 1146 square feet, 3 BHK is 1425 to 1646 square feet, and 4 BHK is 2127 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project miniature. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Radiance Solitaire, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai, a project developed by Radiance Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.